Did you delete your Facebook account and now regret it? Don't worry, you might still have a chance to get it back. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the 30-day rule. First, let's clear something up. Facebook gives you only 30 days to change your mind after deleting your account. If it's over 30 days, unfortunately your account is gone forever. But if you are still within this period, here's what you need to do. Step 2. Login back your account. Go to facebook.com or open the Facebook app. Enter email or phone number and password and hit login. In this page, Facebook may ask if account is yours, tap on confirm, otherwise not. Since this account is mine, I will tap on confirm. Now, Facebook will ask you, do you want to continue using Facebook? Hit yes. And boom, your account is back. And that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help. See you in the next one.